What's up, ladies? It's your girl, Hypnotic Lady. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Marissa. Welcome back. The company I will be working with today is Yolissa Hair. Jumping right in, you already know, I'm showing you all the goodies they gave me. I got lashes, silk scarf, silk bonnet, elastic band, wig cap, silk satin, head scarf. Girl, they sent every goddamn thing, so check it out. Then they also sent me a little care package showing you how to take care of your wig, the type of wig you have, all the information, description, and of course you get a silk bag to put your wig up when you're done. Now, this is the hair. This is their 613 blonde deep wave wig. It is 24 inches and 180 density. It did come with combs and adjustable straps in the back. Y'all, I did go ahead and wash this hair off camera. I didn't pluck or bleach it or anything. This is what it's giving. Now we are going to go ahead and cut off these little ear tabs, the little sideburn tabs on each side. I wanted to show you guys because I usually cut it off camera, but I wanted to show you guys 2022, you know, trying to be a better me, better year, you know. But yeah, so cutting off the ear tabs on each side. Take your time because this can make or break your frontal. You want to make sure everything's laying flush. That way, if you want to sew in an elastic band or something and wear it glueless, you can. I don't wear mine glueless, but yeah. I'm doing 70% alcohol, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that on a cotton swab and clean the perimeter of my hairline because I got a full face of makeup, baby. I beat it. Now, once we do that, I'm going to go in with my Wonder Eben or Eben Wonder lace spray in the black bottle. Y'all need to go ahead and get this black bottle right here because this black bottle right here, like the red, I thought the red bottle was super tacky and worked really good, but it's really just the black bottle. The black bottle does the best. So yeah, go get the black bottle. I'm doing 2 or 3 layers of this using my blow dryer in between. I got my blow dryer from Amazon. This is their Songbird blow dryer. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, using my blow dryer on a cool setting 2 to 3 times in between with the spray like so. Once the glue is all tacky, you want to go ahead and pull your lace up. I like to start in the middle and then work my way to the sides. I'm going to use my rat tail comb and just comb my lace into my glue like so. And then I just line up the temples on each side, and then lastly the little sideburn earpiece area. And then you just repeat the process on the other side, sis. Now, after you've combed it in and everything like that, if it still doesn't feel like it's sticking or something like that, you just want to give it a nice firm press before we get ready to lay it down with an elastic band and tie that down, and then we're going to get into our parting. But as you guys can see right here, I'm just taking my comb, combing the lace into the spray or adhesive spray until it's all nice and flat or nice and tacky, how I like it. I'm gonna give it a nice firm press, and then we're gonna put our elastic band on to give it the real deal melt, the solid melt. And then after, sorry y'all, then after that we are going to part out our parts and get ready to style and do these baby hairs. Now I am going for a side part or a deep side part kind of look, so I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just swoop de doop and, you know, lower that a little bit and just get my part how I want it. It was kind of hard for me picking out a part because with the 613 hair and my damn bald ass cap, I couldn't really see, but I made it do what it do. You guys will see me go in with some makeup and clean this up later on in the video, but yeah. This part took me a little second because, as you can see, I could not see with the 613 hair on the lace. Everything was looking so transparent and blended together, I couldn't really see. But I zoomed in so you guys can get a close-up, and then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and just flatten out my hairline and my part once I got my part, because, you know, you don't want no lumps, humps, or anything. You want it to look very scalpish, very looking like your hair. So Press it out. Your hot comb is your best friend. Like, invest in a hot comb. It ain't got to be expensive, but invest in a hot comb, sis. Now, once that's done, we're going to take the elastic band off once we get all this molded down. And then we're going to get ready to do these baby hairs like so. Now, oh, I'm also going to forget, I almost forgot that I go in with just a little bit of water with a spray bottle just to revamp the hair a little bit, because it was giving me body wave hair that was air dried, or straight hair that was giving air dried, and I wasn't really feeling it. So I just added some more water and then just scrunched up like that in a little scrunchy motion to give the texture more of a wave pattern like how it had when I first got it out the pack and stuff. But yeah, this is 613 deep wave, so I wasn't really expecting it to be like regular deep wave hair, but it made it do what it do. It was giving what it was supposed to give, I would say. Other than me having to like wet it, I didn't have to put like no actual product in there. I put like a little mousse to hold the wave, but other than that, that was it. So I guess you could say I treated it just like a regular deep wave wig. It wasn't really me doing anything extra. It held up. It made it do what it do, sis. So once that's done, I'm gonna take my elastic band off. This is what the lace is looking like. You want to get into it. Now I am going to go in and cut this off, the lace off, with some scissors and some eyebrow razor. I'll be doing like a little slit in the middle of my forehead, and then starting on each side, cutting off the excess, and then we'll blend that in with some makeup and stuff and get ready to slay this and be done, because y'all know I be ripping and running through here. And I know when I start cutting the lace looking real ashy, it's giving really wiggish. Y'all just hold it down. Just trust the process. Trust the process. Don't pay attention to this. Just act like you didn't see this clip. Just imagine this didn't happen, and we're gonna fast forward to when I put the makeup on top, because y'all knew I wasn't gonna just walk out the gate looking like this. Y'all knew I wasn't gonna let y'all make yourselves look crazy. Y'all knew I wasn't gonna do that. So once I get one side cut, I know I'm looking crazy right now. You want to go ahead, cut off the other side, and then once we do that, we're gonna come in with the magic, this boom, scoom, bloom, balloon. What you need, yes indeed, to give you what you need. No, I'm just playing. But once you cut off your excess lace, see, that side don't even look as bad as the other side, but the other side is really giving real ashiness. So I'm gonna go in with some LA Pro Girl concealer. Slap that on your hand, get your little blending brush, and we're just gonna pop that into the lace like there, like so, and y'all automatically see the lace disappearing, baby. You see the lace turning into skin. You see the lace turning into forehead. It's just giving more forehead. Yeah, don't play with her. Don't play with her. And I'm gonna just blend that in just a little bit, buff that in a little bit, with my little brush. Nothing extra, nothing major. And then we're gonna drag that excess down the parts. Y'all, please do not forget to do your parts. With 613 hair, I hate when girls do not do their part, so do your part. Now we're gonna get into the baby hairs, y'all. These were really cute and simple. I don't know if it was because it was 613 hair, but I really like the way the baby hairs came out. They were easy to part out and everything, but y'all, get into it. You see it's giving scalp, baby. I'm gonna do 2 on the temple sides, or the temple of my head or whatever, and then 2 sideburns. Make sure y'all be looking at y'all baby hairs and make sure they match up, because that's one of my pet peeves, when one of my baby hairs be bigger than the other, or they be looking, they don't look identical. So I want them to look identical, so I make sure they lined up and everything look identical, sis. Like, okay, once that's done, I'm gonna do my other side burn, and then we're gonna mold that down with some Nairobi and some Eben, and then I'm gonna put my elastic band on again. The elastic band is the key. I'm telling y'all, that is the key. And then we're gonna let that bake for a couple minutes, and then once that's done, we're gonna finish up these baby hairs, and that will be the completed look, y'all. the band sit for like 5 minutes. Go get you something to drink, something to snack on, or something to make the time pass by. But this is what we looking like. Cute. I went ahead and put my lashes on too. I noticed the whole video I ain't have my damn lashes on, but I'm back. I'm fully beat all the way. Now I got my lashes. I'm going in with my mini Kaposi straightener, and I got that off of Amazon. Y'all, I was talking about my damn lashes. I didn't even get to tell y'all that, but y'all know what we do. Those of you who know, we know. Take your razor. Oh my God, Marissa. Take your rat tail comb out your hair, because they gonna be stiff from the Nairobi setting foam, and you just want to pre-curl everything upwards away from your face. Here I'm showing y'all what I'm talking about. They look stiff as fuck. You know, just loosen them up a little bit, make them look a little unstiff, because they just molded down from the Nairobi setting spray. So once you get that done, I'm just going to curl upwards like so, and then I'm going to go right back in with the same Nairobi setting spray, and then on top of that, a little bit got to be glued gel just to seal my baby hairs in. I like them to be gelled down. I don't like the fluffy baby hair look. I don't want my baby hairs to move. So yeah. Curl these upwards, and then we're gonna go in with the Nairobi setting foam, just a little bit. You don't need a whole bunch. And I'm gonna be using the eyebrow spoolie, and I'm just gonna keep swooping until I get the desired look that I'm going for. It takes me about like 2-3 tries, but I get it. And then once I like the placement, I'm gonna lock all that in with my got to be glued gel in the yellow bottle, and I just mold everything into place before I move on to the next baby hair. And then once we finish these up, that will be the completed look. This is the finished look, y'all. I'm in love. I was scared to do this blonde on blonde. I did like my makeup doing like faux blonde eyebrows with a kind of a smoky eye kind of look, with everything else nude with the blonde hair, and I loved it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Again, you guys, this is Yolissa Hair. This is their 613 deep wave. It is in 24 inches and 180 density, and I just wanted to show you guys that this hair was definitely giving body. The pattern was deep wave all the way through. It didn't look like just raggedy straight hair. It was full from the root to the tip. I didn't see no tracks. I did get some shedding, but not a whole bunch. I would say enough shedding that you would usually get with 613 hair, but other than that, it was good. Other than that, y'all, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.